Hey guys, this is Kiki, owner of EgiptEgyptianne collection, and we're back with another video. Today's video is we're going to make the backing of this pillowcase, and I'm gonna give y'all out the preview of this. So, I don't know if y'all know, but I like to game. So, we're going to make this a back of a game photo. And maybe she can come on the downside. So, we're going to get y'all going. Alright, Instagram. We're making a gaming back of a pillow. I like the game, y'all. Please don't mind my pinky. I like the game, so we're gonna press this on here. It's about to look so pretty. Okay, y'all. I'm filming for my Instagram reel. We're gonna press it for like 15 seconds. Okay. Oh shoot, it's hot, y'all. Alright, it's on there like so. We're gonna do the next one. Y'all, this is not easy. This is not easy. Excuse the noise in the back, y'all. Those are my sons. I'm gonna put her down there like that. We're going to put her down there like so. I'll be back when we press her. Alright, we're pressing for 15 seconds again. Okay. Alright, y'all, she's in there like so too. So this is how they look. This is too cute, y'all. This is too cute. Alright, this concludes the video. If y'all want to see more DIYs or cute little things to make for pillowcases or shirt, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.